Good afternoon. Welcome back to our online math class. Okay, so again, this is teacher LM. So this morning, we studied numbers 30, 31, 32, and 33. Okay, but today, this afternoon, we are going to focus only one number. Okay, so that number is number 30. So last week with Teacher Jo, you studied number 29, right? Do you still remember how to spell number 29? Okay, so now let's spell together number 29. Okay, spell with me, kids. 29, I spell Twentynine. 29. All right. So these are the number, this is the number that you studied last week. Okay, so this afternoon class, we are going to learn how to count number 30. Okay, so we are going to learn how to count number 30. Okay, are you ready, kids? So count with me. Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there are 30 pens. Okay, kids? So again, how many pens are there? There are 30 pens. And now, let's learn how to spell number 30. Okay, everybody, 30 I spell Thirty. 30. Okay, one more time, kids. 30 I spell Thirty. Great. Now kids, let's identify, okay? Let's find and circle number 30. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so each rows, there are 30 numbers and we need to encircle that 30 number. Okay, everybody, let's start with the first row. So there are two 30s in this row. So 1, 2. Okay, second row, there are two 30s also. So we'll circle 1, 2. Okay, great. Third row, there are only 130. So let's circle that one. Okay, great. And the last row, we have two 30s. Okay, so let's circle 1 and 2. Okay, great. So these are number 30. All right. So again, let's spell number 30 class. If you still remember, you can spell with me. Okay, so everybody, 30 I spell Thirty. One more time, class. How do you spell 30? 30 I spell Thirty. 30. Okay, great job. So that would be all for this afternoon class. I hope you are now familiarized you are now familiar with the number 30. Again, this is Teacher LM. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you learned something new today. Goodbye, class, and see you again tomorrow. Have a great Monday.